Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to manipulate the cup with orange in Photoshop. Let's start. First, duplicate the layer. Select Object Selection tool and select the object in the scene. OK, it is selected. Now click to add a mask on the layer. Select the layer and go to the second image. Now select this orange. When it's selected, select Move tool, then click and drag it to the first image. Press Ctrl T, right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Now adjust the size and position as you need. OK, that's well. Now to fix this point, zoom in a little. Then select Lasso tool and select here to remove. Go to Edit, and choose Fill. Open this, and select Content Aware. Then click OK. OK, that was removed. Now right-click on the layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the mode to Multiply. Again select, and add a mask on the layer. Then select Brush. Change the foreground color to black. Then zoom in a little. And brush here to remove unwanted area. Duplicate the layer. And change the mode to screen. Then set the opacity to 40%. OK, now it's done. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.